Hi, fellow traders. I hope everybody had a great day today. Today was kind of a test of wills. That's pretty much how I could explain it. The morning just wasn't there for me. Nothing really set up, and I was just patient. I sat on my hands and waited until the market actually gave me some opportunities. So, and I was really proud of the fact that I didn't force myself to trade. I didn't feel obligated to trade because people were watching and waiting. I kind of set the perfect example today of exactly what you're supposed to be doing when the market is not in your favor. Now, obviously, there are other people that trade different strategies, and today might have been on fire for them. But just because it's on fire for them and it's not for me, doesn't mean I need to run behind them and try to copy what they're doing. Now, that's the worst thing you can do. If you have a strategy, you have a process that's consistent and that works, then you got to stick to it. And you got to weather the bad days with the good days. And there's just nothing else to do. And so that's what I did today. Facebook ran up all morning. I did take an early trade on it. Pre-market, I was positioning myself to get in it and hold it all day. But it changed its tune, and it turned around and turned into a long, and I was not looking too long to stop. But it offered great opportunities. You could buy every pullback and just ride it up. But that wasn't what I was looking for. I actually waited for it to get on the backside of the move. I didn't try to short it up here. I waited for it to pull through, go back and retest. That's what I like to see happen. And then once we showed a clear rejection and we made a lower high, I got in. I realized that we were on the backside of this move. The long trades were pretty much done, and here's the time to short. So I got in and just took profit along the way. Not really knowing how long, when this is going to turn around. So I want to take profit at different points. And I only took 300 shares and just pieced it out. And we made 346.80. After still got to take commissions out of it, but not a bad trade. I could have sized up, could have been in twice the size and made twice the money. But I went in half size because of the data that we've experienced, and just worked it the way I wanted to work it. Now, we didn't, I should have taken the last piece off here, but I was not at my computer. Between 3 and 4, I'm on the road picking up my son, and I'm trying not to trade while I'm driving. I'm trying to just let it run, set it. I have my stop set back at break even, well, just below break even. And if it broke that, it would stop me out still with some profit. But I thought we did have a chance of getting to the 200 today. I really thought we did, but didn't quite get there. And so I took the last piece off here right at the close. Pretty pleased with it. I'm very happy with it. Let's see, the other trade that I took was ARNA. And here we got it coming out of lunch. I waited on this stock. This is the one that I lost $1,300 on or something. I can't remember. I know I lost some money on it yesterday. And I waited, was patient, and got it on the backside. and took it all the way down. You know, I just scaled out here, and once we came back and it hit my profit stop, I knew we were done. Eventually, we did make it to VWAP. The trade here was when we reversed. I got it under the 9, and I was just looking to get it to VWAP. And that was the goal. But I caught the meat of the move here. So, you know, I don't feel bad at all about it. $660. And nice trade. So nice, easy trend following trades, no stress. So, shh, girl, be quiet. No stress, just like I like it. You know, I could have easily stressed myself out early this morning and trying to find something, trying to make something happen, you know, but I didn't. And I'm really happy because that's what's going to have to be done when we get into the small account in, you know, next quarter. Is days like today, you don't want to give back money. Every $100 hurts when you don't have a large account. So really pleased with my day. You know, even though we only made $1,014, I'm probably more happy with what I did today than what I did yesterday. And yesterday was a big dollar profit day. And it's all because of how I managed these trades and how the patience I had to wait until the market came to me. All right, so now here's a Facebook trade I took, and I was, you know, going to hold it all day in the swing account. I positioned myself just like I did yesterday morning, right here, and I was figuring this 20 was going to be the deciding factor here, but it pushed through the 20, and you know, I was like, well, let's just see. I'm pretty sure we're going to roll over. We're going to get a pullback. You know, let's see what it's going to do at the open. And I just kept my eye on this, and we just didn't get the price action I wanted. You know, it hit my first target down here, and we just did not get the price action I wanted. And again, you know, from here, it just made this massive run up through 170. You know, before I caught it on the backside, you know, and got a short day trade out of it. But, you know, only 619.49 out of this. It really, you know, really I couldn't have done any better. You know, I wasn't going to take it all off. I had to give it a chance to reject and pull back some more, but it didn't. And, you know, that was it. So, all in all, not a bad day. You know, just over $1,600. I'll take it. I'll take it over a red day any day. You know, and I was saying this morning, I'd take a 0 day over a red day. But thankfully, the market came to us, and we didn't have to take a 0 day. All right, so that's going to do it for me today. And everybody have a great night, a great evening. And I'll see you first thing in the morning.